Determination of adherence and interior. First, note that A is an open set, specifically the strict right half-plane. This means that if a point is in A, any ball centered at that point with a radius proportional to its x-coordinate will be entirely within A. Therefore, the interior of A is A itself. Conversely, the closure of A includes all points in the plane where the x-coordinate is greater than or equal to 0. To understand this, consider a sequence of points within A that converges to a specific point. As the sequence limits, the x-coordinate approaches or equals 0, demonstrating that the closure of A is a subset of points where the x-coordinate is non-negative. If a point has an x-coordinate greater than 0, it is in A and its closure. If the x-coordinate is 0, a sequence with slightly greater x values converging to the point will show that the closure of A encompasses all such points.